2 Timothy 1:7. No fear, just power from heaven. James 4:7, I bow to the King. Resist the devil, he flees when I sing. Luke 10:19, authority falls to trample the enemy, breaking the walls. Isaiah 54:17, no weapon will prosper, the victory seen. My mind is sound, His love is the seed. 1 John 4:4, He's greater than me. John 8:36, the Son set me free. Free indeed, like the wind on the sea. Romans 8:37, conquerors all. Through Him who loves us, we'll never fall. Colossians 2:15, He stripped all their power. A public spectacle, this is His hour. Triumphing over them right on the cross, saving our island from sorrow and loss. Isaiah 54:17, no weapon will prosper, the victory seen. My mind is sound, His love is the seed. 1 John 4:4, He's greater than me. John 8:36, the Son set me free. Free indeed, like the wind on the sea. Romans 8:37, conquerors all. Through Him who loves us, we'll never fall. He won the fight, He brought the light, He won the fight, He brought the light, yeah. Romans 8:37 on the track, we conquer it all, never looking back. James 4:7, submit to the Lord. The devil is running, cut down by His word.
John 8:36, the Son set me free.
Free indeed.
Free indeed, like the wind on the sea.